everybody. Today is November 20th, so I'm shooting this in real time. We are actually driving down the road. Do you want to say hello, Robert?
Hello, everyone.
And we are headed to our friend Tiki's, and we'll spend Thanksgiving there. And I've got a couple of updates for you. Before we got on the road this morning, I was so happy. I got to meet Kim. Hi, Kim. And I got to meet her two dogs, Gina and Nina, little mother and daughter, and they are so adorable, as is Kim. And she will be at the meetup, and so I'm looking forward to everyone meeting her. We're just really excited about our Rice Ranch meetup and all the people that are coming. And we're on a road that's kind of swaying, so I'm sorry if you get seasick watching this. I'm trying to keep the camera steady. And it's not Robert's driving. It really is the road, I promise.
The driver.
It's not the
It
driver.
just smooths out. We got better pavement.
Yeah, there we go. So, anyway, it was so lovely to meet Kim. She had been in the park for a few days, and my friends Colleen and Carol and I wanted to meet her, but then she left, and so I was so glad when I got up this morning and she was there, and I got to meet her and her pups. And so that just goes to show you, you never know what life has to bring. And then we stopped at this just crazy busy place in Quartzsite, and Robert filled up with gasoline while I went in and got coffee, and those people, they were so slammed, and there were only 2 people working there, and I felt bad for them. And it just falls in line with the woulda, shoulda, couldas that I want to present today. And I want to start by saying, yesterday I mentioned that I had somebody that had told me, somebody in the comments called it nap shaming, where they had blasted me for taking naps, and Robert's over here laughing too. And we're not laughing at that person, but just laughing that nap shaming was a cute way to phrase that. And I just want to say that I didn't handle that very well, the way I said that in the video, and I want to clarify. And I'm sorry again, I'm going to move the camera because it's swaying. But you know, that person that said that is raising her grandkids and working 2 jobs and in a lot of pain. And I doubt that she meant very seriously that she didn't think I should take naps. I don't think that's what anyone meant. I think she was coming from a place of being overwhelmed and just wishing that she had some ease and some comfort and some joy in her life as well. And I have heard from so many people, it's like Kim today, you know, she didn't come over and meet us because she didn't want to interrupt. It looked like friends having a good time, and so she didn't come over and say hi even though she wanted to, and I'm so glad she got the courage to do that this morning. And I just want to say, let me get to the point, because I ramble because I get nervous at sharing what I want to say. It's like I feel like I'm like, you know, people are going to be like, we don't want to hear that, and blah, blah, blah. You know, those little bitty, itty bitty committees that get going in your head. So here's what I want to say. There are so many people right now with the holidays that are overwhelmed. You have to put up with families that are fighting. You have to put up with families that are missing you and that want you there. You have to put up with maybe not being able to be with family that you want to be with. And you also maybe have to be with family that you don't want to be with. And there are just all kinds of stressors that the holidays can bring on. It's like right now we're headed to Tiki's, and I am feeling like this big because I don't have the money to take the food that I would normally take or the gifts that I would normally take, because she's hosting us and being so hospitable, and you know, we're having Thanksgiving at her house, and so the woulda, shoulda, couldas that we do to ourselves, I just want to encourage you this holiday season that if you have to go somewhere that is full of stress or anxiety, be the peace. And if you're going somewhere that is full of strife and disharmony, be the love. And I'm going to try to do that even with myself, because I'm beating myself up a lot lately. And I am trying to be transparent about that and get over that, and I just want to be there for others, and I can't do that if I'm all mental and in my head and doing the woulda, shoulda, couldas. So don't should yourself today. That's the theme for the video today. We'll see you down the road, everybody. Have a great day.